AMMANGENEVA. November 10 – U.S. Chief of Human Rights called for an investigation about what Israel calls high influential explosive weapons in Gaza on Friday. The UN High Commissioner for Human Rights, Volker Turk, said Israel should end the use of such weapons in a densely populated region hosting 2.3 million Palestinians displaced by fighting last month. Turk did not specify what weapons he was talking about. Israel is always complying with international human law. He added that Hamas, who controls Gaza, buried himself in densely populated areas and prevented the separation of civilians. Israel's air, sea and land armament now aim to destroy Hamas, who accompanies a land attack in the depths of the region. According to Israeli tallies, Palestinian group killed 1,400 Israelis in an attack on 7 October. And UN said that attack contained war crimes. The comprehensive Gaza armament of Gaza, including the use of high-effective explosive weapons in densely populated regions, has a clearly destructive human and human rights influence. The attacks should be investigated. We have very serious concerns about the disproportionate attacks and the violation of international humanitarian law. Israel blames Hamas for civilian deaths in Gaza, said that group used the population as human shields and hidden weapons equipment around hospitals hit by ING's. Palestinian armed civilians and civil objects to protect themselves from the attack is against the laws of war. However, such behaviors of Palestinian armed groups do not eliminate the obligation to ensure that civilians to get rid of Israel. The Turk also said that Israel should take measures to protect Palestinians in the West Bank, which is occupied by Palestinians and Israeli soldiers and settlers. Turk said that since October, at least 176 Palestinians have been killed, including 43 children and a woman in events containing Israeli security forces. Israel, Hamas in the West Bank and other Palestinian armed groups militants against the fight terrorism. He said. Suleiman al-Khaldidi Maytal Angel. Amman. Gabrielle Tetrofarber in Jerusalem and Emma Farge Geneva.